Hello! I've been meaning to do this for quite some time, and since I'm homebound and can't really go anywhere, I'm gonna finally do it. So to start off, this is not going to be a difficult recipe. It's actually quite small and very fun, but as anybody who knows me knows, I like cooking with wine, so today we're having a Lina. It's a local variety of Sinisteri 2018. Medium dry, and if you're in Cyprus or if you're a local, don't snob this wine, it's fantastic. So we are preparing poke balls today, not to be confused with Pokemon's balls. This is the Hawaiian style sushi where you have a plate of rice and you add ingredients on top of that. You can add whatever you want. You can add seaweed, you can add corn, you can add cabbage, you can add anything. But today I'm doing salmon, mango, avocado, wakame beans, and cucumber. So let's start! So the sushi rice has cooled down a little bit. At this point, you should follow the instructions that are on the package, but essentially all you do is put some sushi rice vinegar, some sugar, and some salt to go with it. Then we're going to add our wakame beans to the plate. And I have my finely chopped cucumbers, sliced even, and the juices. I have the mango, which is nice and sweet, to go with the spiciness of the mayo and the chili on the wakame beans. So good. And of course we're going to make some space for the been marinating for the past 20 minutes. So it's nice and ready. And I like plenty of it, so I'm going to give myself quite a bit. And I'm ready to share it with this little friend. And I'm going to finish this off with some nice avocado slices. You could at this point add on some sesame seeds if you like them. I personally am not a huge fan, but I do like myself some chili flakes, so I'm going to do that. And some wasabi mayo that I've made with some chili flakes. And this is us done. Voila! Dinner is ready.